Welcome to this tutorial on enhancing your SQL queries using where, order by and group by clauses. These powerful tools allow you to filter, sort and group your data effectively, making your database interactions more efficient and insightful. The where clause is used to filter records that meet specific conditions, allowing you to retrieve only the data you are interested in. For instance, to find employees older than 30, you can use the query as shown here. Order by allows you to sort your query results. By default, it sorts in ascending order, but you can specify DSC for descending order. Here, we sort employees by salary in descending order. Group by is used to aggregate data across multiple records by one or more columns. For example, to count the number of employees in each department, you can group the results by the department column. Combining these clauses enable complex data retrieval. In this example, we first filter employees older than 30, then group them by department, and finally sort the departments by the number of such employees in descending order. Let us consider a practical scenario where we analyze sales data. This query calculates total sales for each product category in January 2025 and sorts the results to show the highest sales first. To optimize your SQL queries, always use the correct order of clauses, where, then group by, followed by order by. Index columns that are often used in filtering and sorting, and avoid using select star to reduce unnecessary data retrieval. In conclusion, mastering the where, order by and group by clauses will significantly enhance your ability to retrieve and analyze data efficiently. Practice combining these clauses to handle complex queries with ease. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials on SQL.